Roborock has just unveiled another model from their brand new robot lineup. Meet the Saros 10. The main highlight here is its foldable LiDAR. Thanks to that, it easily fits under low-profile furniture. Other key features include an adaptive chassis that climbs over thresholds up to 1.6 inches, a modular turbo brush that resists hair tangles, the classic vibrating mop that the robot automatically detaches at the docking station, and an extra edge cleaning disc for better wall-to-wall coverage. It also features a retractable dual-beam side brush. With 22,000 pascals of suction power, even upright vacuums are looking a little jealous. There's an RGB camera with a built-in light, so don't worry if socks are scattered under the couch. The brush lift system prevents water from reaching the motor when mopping puddles. Plus, it comes with an integrated voice assistant. Just say, "Hello, Rocky." The dock station thoroughly cleans the mop with a detergent dispenser, hot water heating, and a hot air drying system. There's also a really useful feature for locating pets around the house. In the US, the Saros S10 will retail for $1,600. Prices for Europe haven't been announced yet. For more details about this model, along with the latest news, ratings, and in-depth reviews, check out the Best Robot YouTube channel. The link is right below this video.